So as we approach the TGE for Paws, they've released another update, tax. So if you come to your end section, you're going to see when TGE. So what you need to do is to click on the record section. So you allow microphone. So just click and just say something, then it will be activated. It's as simple as ABC. So I'm going to claim it now. So all you need to do is just to click on the microphone section, then just say something, anything, then it will be activated and done. So do well to subscribe, like the video, and more importantly, make sure you join my Telegram channel, link in the description of this video.